Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this mineral grey BMW 218i. Now of course you do get the xenon headlights with the LED angel eyes. You've then also got these brilliant mineral grey alloy wheels, which of course are a 18-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, you've also got rear parking sensors. Inside the tailgate itself, you can see that we do have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which you can use either of these levers at the top to fold the seats down. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, with it being a two-door, you do have to pull the lever to get in and out, but we have full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then also in the middle got your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your iDrive controls in the middle just here, along with your drive select, so you can choose between Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort and Eco Pro. We've then got your climate control settings in the middle, which you can see on the air conditioning just here on the right. You can set the exact temperature you want it to be at. You've got heated front seats, media controls just here, and then of course coming up to the iDrive itself, we've got all your vehicle information, including your journey statuses. We've then got your various media sources just here, so AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD and DAB. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free. And then of course we also have your satellite navigation. Then over to the steering wheel now, we have your speed limiter on the left. We've then also got your volume, voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free and source on the right hand side. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, and we do of course have automatic headlights. As you can see, this 218 has done 31,310 miles. We're jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this BMW 218i, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.